Luxury Car welcomes you to another ride into the world of speed, power, and pure automotive excitement. Today we bring you the 2026 Camaro ZL1, a machine that doesn't just push the limits, it rewrites them. This is not just a car, it is an experience. Crafted for those who believe driving should be as thrilling as it is beautiful. The moment you see it, the low, aggressive stance demands your attention. The sculpted body lines have been sharpened. The front fascia is more menacing than ever, and the redesigned LED headlights give it a piercing gaze that feels alive on the sides. The aerodynamic enhancements aren't just for looks. They slice through the air with precision, while the muscular fenders speak of the power that lies beneath. The rear is equally dramatic, with a functional spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and tail lights that glow like molten fire at night. Under the hood lives the heart of this beast, a supercharged 2-liter V8 engine that roars with 680 horsepower and over 650 pound-feet of torque. This is raw, unfiltered American muscle paired with modern engineering to deliver lightning-fast acceleration. From 0 to 60, it takes just about 3 seconds. But the feeling it gives you in those seconds is something you'll never forget. Every press of the throttle floods your senses with a mix of sound, vibration, and sheer force, reminding you that the Camaro ZL1 is built for drivers who want more than just transportation. They want dominance. Step inside and the adrenaline keeps flowing. The cabin wraps around you with a driver-focused cockpit. The leather and suede seats with contrast stitching hold you firmly in place during high speed. Cornering the flat-bottom steering wheel with performance controls feels solid in your hands, and the digital cluster puts all the critical data right in your line of sight. The infotainment system is quick and intuitive, supporting the latest connectivity features, but it never distracts from the main event, which is the drive around you. Every material, every switch, every line is designed to feel premium and purposeful. The 2026 Camaro ZL1 is not just about brute power, it is about control. Magnetic ride control 4.0 adapts to the road in milliseconds, giving you a suspension setup that feels perfect whether you are carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway. The electronic limited slip differential puts power where it is needed most, and the massive Brembo brakes with 6-piston calipers up front bring this powerhouse to a stop with confidence. The exhaust system has been tuned to deliver a sound that is nothing short of addictive. Deep growls at low revs transforming into a spine-tingling scream as you push towards the redline. Chevrolet has also made sure that technology and safety are not left behind. You get advanced driver assistance systems, from blind spot monitoring to forward collision alert, keeping you secure without taking away from the raw mechanical joy of driving. The heads-up display projects key information on the windshield, so your eyes stay on the road, and the integrated performance data recorder lets you capture your best driving moments for later analysis or just to relive the thrill. Every detail of the 2026 Camaro ZL1 reflects a perfect balance of heritage and progress. It still carries the spirit of the classic Camaros that have defined muscle car culture for decades, but it is sharper, smarter, and more capable than ever before. This is a car that doesn't follow trends, it sets them. Whether you take it to the track or keep it as the king of the streets, it is a statement of power, style, and passion. Luxury Car thanks you for joining us on this ride through the heart of the 2026 Camaro ZL1. Stay tuned for more journeys into the most extraordinary machines on the planet, because here power meets beauty and the road never ends.